Today, we are making chili fries. Vegan and gluten-free, actually. So stick around. Oh my God, let me do this again because I can see myself in the lens. That is great! And the way we're gonna start this recipe today is by going back to Burger King actually has vegan fries. So today what we're gonna do is take these Burger King fries, plate them with some of my homemade chili, I'll tell you about that in a second, put some cheese on it, some vegan cheese on it, stick it in the broiler. It's gonna be amazing. What we're gonna do is start with the fries on the plate. And this is one order of large fries. And you can see here they've been lovingly prepared. This is my vegan chili. It's really good. You're gonna love it. And I put a little bit of Beyond Meat ground beef in this, so it's also got a ton of protein. So what we're gonna do is take this and just spoon a little bit of this chili on top of these fries. Oh, who am I kidding with a little bit? Let's just go for it. Look at that. This is like, it's like a fancy restaurant. Okay, so now from here, we're gonna take some vegan cheese. Now, for those of you who don't know, there are so many incredible vegan cheeses on the market today. The whole thing may have been kickstarted by Daiya years ago. They've improved their formula. Their shredded cheeses are delicious. There's Follow Your Heart. There's the more gourmet cheeses like Miyoko's Kitchen and Treeline. There's this new one, Parmella Creamery, that I'm gonna put on a pizza later. They all melt, they all taste delicious. So we're gonna take the Daiya cheddar style shreds, and we're gonna put that on top of our chili and our fries. So just sprinkle some of that right on here. Put it in the broiler for just a couple minutes to let that cheese do its thing. Hey Siri, set timer 30 seconds.
It takes longer.
She never listens to me.
You have coffee, breath.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is chop up a little bit of cilantro, because I do like cilantro. I'm not one of those people who's cursed with the fact that cilantro tastes like soap.
That's what you get for cussing.
Chop up a little bit of cilantro. We're gonna use this later in other recipes as well. Now we're waiting for the chili fries. Hey Siri, are they done?
What do you think?
She still didn't listen to me.
I wonder why.
Check on them real quick. And they're gonna take another minute.
What do you get to the apron?
Hang on a minute, lads. I've got a great idea.
So this is a Skeptical Vegan designer logo apron. The first person to comment and tell me what your favorite vegan cheese is. The first person to comment with their favorite vegan cheese gets this apron. Actually, it's been worn by me. How's that for a benefit? Still not done.
I told you.
Jesus. Oh yeah, cheese is starting to melt. Could leave it in there for a couple more minutes if you wanted to get the top a little bit crisper, brown up the top a little bit. What we're gonna do is put a little bit of that chopped cilantro on top to give it a little flair. So now we're gonna see what these taste like. This in itself is a meal, by the way. You could definitely survive off of chili cheese fries. This whole dish is vegan and gluten-free, and you definitely should give this a try. I'm not asking you to go vegan overnight necessarily. I would like you to give peas a chance. Thanks for tuning in. Comment, like, and subscribe.